The Amazon Prime Big Deal Days are here for just 48 hours, but what does this mean for you? It's simple, you can buy smart home devices cheaper than usual, but it's very easy to get overwhelmed from the available sea of offers, making it hard to spot the top picks that are highly usable, Home Assistant compatible and really discounted. I spend a lot of time cherry picking these smart home top products, and I'm here for you to share my findings, which are separated in few different categories like best under $20, best under $50, rarely on deal, and lowest price of the year. So you can expect to see such products today, and please have in mind that there is no particular order of the items, so you better check them all. Let me start with the first one from my top smart home items list during Prime Big Deal Days 2024. I found this first item from an early access confidential Prime Big Deal Days mailing list, and it is a Roku streaming stick 4K. This device can transform any TV with HDMI port into a powerful streaming hub, giving really fast access to services like Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, YouTube and many more. The design of this stick lets you keeping it out of sight. The setup is quick and easy, and it offers super fast startup, so you can begin streaming in no time. With its long-range Wi-Fi, you will enjoy smooth streaming even in your rooms, far from your router. The Roku Streaming Stick 4K delivers a great picture with the support for 4K, HDR10+, and even Dolby Vision, providing sharp, vibrant visuals for a better viewing experience. Plus, there are over 350 free live TV channels which guarantee plenty of content without needing a cable. Additionally, once powered, Roku can be auto-discovered by Home Assistant, which making the integration into your smart home setup seamless. The Home Assistant communication is entirely vocal, and you can set it up easily as Home Assistant media player and remote once integrated. It scores silver on Home Assistant quality scale, making it a reliable and convenient addition to any smart home. This is my best pick in the under $50 category, and if you're looking to cut the cord and enjoy high quality streaming, the Roku Streaming Stick 4K is a fantastic option, and again, it is one of the early confidential Prime Big Deal Days offers of the year. Check the current promotional price from the links in the video description. Also there you can find my other top smart home items during this Prime Day. And the next one is Shelly One PM Gen 3. This is a compact and affordable smart switch with a lot of features. The Shelly One PM Gen 3 device lets you control electrical appliances remotely from your smartphone, tablet or PC with ease, no matter where you are, at home or away. You can switch devices on or off, and also you can monitor their power usage. The Shelly One PM Gen 3 connects to your home's Wi-Fi network and works well with smart platforms like Google, Alexa, Samsung SmartThings, and of course with Home Assistant natively, using local push communication and with the best of the best Platinum rating, which guarantees super smooth work. Its compact design allows it to fit behind light switches or power sockets, which is useful in places with limited space. The upgraded processor and extra memory improve the device's overall performance, ensuring it runs flawlessly. One key feature is the power measurement capability, which tracks how much electricity your devices are using, helping you reduce energy waste. It also has an easy-to-use embedded web interface for setting it up and controlling it. The other option is to use the Shelly mobile app. I personally use the app to pair my Shelly devices at first, then I add them to my Home Assistant for control and monitor. After that, I rarely need to open the app or the device web interface. For tech enthusiasts, Shelly One PM Gen 3 offer integration using home automation protocols like MQTT, webhooks and KNX. This is my top choice in the best under $20 category because of its combination of remote access, power monitoring and compatibility with various platforms, which makes it a must-have for anyone looking to make their home smarter without breaking the bank. Don't forget to check the discounted price of the Shelly One PM Gen 3 from the links in the description box below. We are now at number 3 on the Prime Big Deal Days list. And here is the SwitchBot Lock Pro. I personally use the SwitchBot Lock Pro, and I have to say it is amazing and definitely the best smart lock I've ever tested. What I like the most is how easily it retrofits on almost any existing lock in just few minutes. Plus, the motor is much stronger than the previous model, handling older locks that need extra power to lock or unlock without any issues. After several months of using it, I haven't experienced a single problem. It just works. The SwitchBot Lock Pro is an upgraded version of the original, with a new design, better mounting options, and the addition of a quick key for easy locking and unlocking. It runs on 4 regular AA batteries that lasts up to 9 months, which is a big plus, and no more hunting for expensive batteries. Installing it is simple and should take around 10 to 20 minutes, even if you are with 2 left hands, like me. The lock includes 2 different mounting plates, and you can check if your lock is compatible using a compatibility page. It works locally without needing a hub, but if you want voice control with Alexa, Google Home or Apple Siri, you need a SwitchBot Hub Mini or Hub 2, as these hubs enable cloud services. Cloud services are entirely optional, as you can keep the SwitchBot Lock Pro local if that's your preference. Also optionally, for best user experience, you can bundle the SwitchBot Lock Pro with a wireless keypad that can have a fingerprint sensor for easy and secure unlocking. One of the best features is how well it integrates with Home Assistant. The integration is completely local, running smoothly over Bluetooth without needing a SwitchBot hub. If you have Bluetooth set up on the device running Home Assistant, you can control and monitor the lock without relying on the cloud, keeping everything within your home boundaries. Check the discounted price below and check the bundles, especially the one with the keypad, as this is the best you can get. At number 4 on our Amazon Prime Big Deal Days 2024 list, we've got another handpicked by me device from the early confidential Prime Day deals that's also in the rarely on deal category. And it is Kit, a Raspberry Pi 5 Starter Kit Pro. This kit is an amazing option for anyone interested in Raspberry Pi, but it is especially ideal for running a Home Assistant instance. It's equipped with 8 gigs of RAM and a powerful quad-core processor, making it more than capable of handling all your smart home needs with ease and efficiency. All of that while consuming very little power. All set until now makes it perfect for Home Assistant host. It has everything you need to set up a smart home hub that will last for years. The smart home setup will be incredibly simple, just 2 steps. Purchase the kit and then flash the included in the kit micro SD card with the Home Assistant operating system. From there, you have one of the best smart home hubs running on one of the most reliable and modern single-board computers. This system will allow you to control all your smart home devices seamlessly without needing constant upgrades or replacements. The Kit Raspberry Pi Smarter Kit Pro comes packed with essentials: a premium case, a low noise fan, mega heat sink, power adapter, 128GB fast SD card, and HDMI cables, making it not just functional but also well designed for long-term use. If you're looking to turn your TV into a media center, learn coding, or even build your own retro gaming console, this kit has you covered. It's a true power horse that's versatile enough and can be used not just for smart home, but if you're serious about Home Assistant, this Raspberry Pi kit will serve you flawlessly for years to come. Check the rarely on deal Prime Day price of this Raspberry Pi 5 kit in the video description. At number 5 on our Prime Big Deal Days list, we have the Oral-B IO Series 7 toothbrush, which is both in the rarely on deal and lowest price of the year's category. This high-tech toothbrush doesn't just improve your oral hygiene, but it also can be integrated in your smart home ecosystem, especially if you use Home Assistant. It connects locally using Bluetooth, and once it is in Bluetooth range, the Oral-B toothbrush will be automatically discovered. This model offers several useful sensors that becomes available in Home Assistant once integrated. This includes the selected cleaning mode, the number of brushing sectors, the current sector you are brushing, and even the total brushing time. You can also track its state, whether it's running or idle, and the toothbrush's battery percentage. Then this sensor can be used to create multiple Home Assistant home automations. For instance, you can set up reminders for your kids to ensure they brush their teeth for the recommended 2 minutes time, or even check if they're brushed at all. It's a smart way to take better care of your family's oral health while also enhancing your smart home setup. Again, this item is both in the rarely on deal and lowest price of the year category, so if you have some hesitations to buy a smart electric toothbrush, now is good time to do so. Check the discounted price from the link in the video description. We are at number 6 on our Prime Big Deal Days list, and this one comes in the lowest price this year category, and it is a Blink Outdoor 4 wireless smart security camera. This 4th generation wire-free camera is designed to protect your home both inside and out, offering 1080p HD live view, infrared night vision, and two-way audio. Now, what makes this camera even more exciting is its Home Assistant integration. Using the Blink integration, you can view camera images and motion events directly from Home Assistant, but know that this works through the cloud. The integration adds several useful platforms, including an alarm control panel to arm or disarm the system, individual cameras and motion sensors. You can even track battery status and Wi-Fi strength for each camera. Apart from the working Home Assistant integration, you can see and speak through the Blink app, making it a solid choice if you need such functionality. The other standout feature of the Blink Outdoor 4 is its 2-year battery life. It runs on AA lithium batteries. It also has enhanced motion detection, which means it alerts you faster when there's movement. You even get person detection if you subscribe to the Blink subscription plan that is sold separately. Doing so will allow the camera to differentiate between a person and other types of motion, reducing the false alarms. The best part is that you can set it up yourself in just a few minutes, as no complicated wire link is needed. Again, this camera is in the lowest price of the year category, and if you're into the wireless outdoor cameras that works with Home Assistant, and not only that, check the discounted price below. That wraps up number 6. Now let's move on to number 7 on our Prime Big Deal Days 2024 list. Up next is the flagship smart speaker series from Amazon, the Echo series, commonly known as Alexa. Most Amazon products are currently discounted, but I found some standout deals on just 4 Echo devices. All of them are in the lowest price of the year category. Wait a minute, I just realized with these 4 products, this video actually features the top 10 smart home gadgets instead of just 7. But anyways, here are my cherry-picked Amazon products for you. The first one is Amazon Echo Pop, which is one of the cheapest Echo devices that is perfect for smaller spaces or rooms where you need quick access to Alexa's smart home features. Next is the Amazon Echo Dot. This is probably the most famous Alexa, as it with probably the best quality/price ratio from all Amazon Echo devices. It is great for adding voice control to various rooms in your home while still maintaining clear sound quality. The all-new Amazon Echo Spot 2024 release, which is a stylish smart alarm clock featuring Alexa and high-quality sound. It allows you to view the time, weather, and song titles at a glance while controlling your smart home devices. And finally, the Amazon Echo Show 8 Generation 3. This is the latest model of the device, and it takes things a step further, offering a larger 8-inch display for streaming, watching videos, video calls, and smart home management. All of that with a good sound and microphones. All these devices can be integrated with Home Assistant either by following the instructions in this video or by subscribing to Home Assistant Cloud. And remember, the Prime Day deals that you just saw, and not only these deals of course, are exclusive to Prime members. If you are not a member yet, this is the perfect time to join. A Prime membership offers some great benefits like free shipping, access to Prime Video, and more. Plus, you can start with a 30-day free trial, giving you full access to the deals without any long-term commitment. You can even cancel after the sale if you decide to. Click the Join Prime link in the video description below to learn more and to start your free trial today. By using the links in the video description, you're helping this channel, as I'll receive a small commission from your purchases with no additional cost for you. It's a win-win situation. If you want more offers, join my live stream tomorrow, where we will nerd out about smart home Prime Big Deal Days. We will compare prices from before and during Prime Day on different vendors. We will discuss the products and we will have fun. Thank you for Prime Daying with me. I'm Kirill and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!